Hello, welcome to this quick video guide on how to clone your voice using Minimax AI in just a few simple steps. Go to the URL minimax.io/audio. On the left-hand menu, click Voice Clone. Either upload your voice recording or record directly inside the tool. To get the best possible clone, make sure your recording is clear, no background noise, no echo. This helps the AI create a more realistic clone. Choose your language and turn on noise removal and accent optimization if you want a result that is even closer to your real voice. After that, agree to their terms of service and click Generate. In a few seconds, Minimax will create a sample of your voice. If you're happy with it, hit Confirm, name your voice, and then save. And that's it. Your cloned voice is ready to use for videos, podcasts, narrations, or any other project where you want your own voice. So go ahead and give it a try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you will be using your cloned voice for. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.